Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm going to be doing a bill swap cash condensing. I have 1,000, well, yeah, 1,000 in this envelope right here. So I'm going to take 500 to the bank. I'm going to use this placeholder, and then I'm going to use the money that I get from here to condense some of these envelopes because they're a little full, and just take that back to the bank. So this is my Go Wild envelope here. I'm saving for Go Wild, which is a planner conference, an annual planner conference that is happening next year in April in Texas. So I'm saving towards that right now. I have 1,000 and actually just bought my ticket and still need to buy my plane ticket. And then once I'm at the event, pay for my hotel. And then also I want to, this time around, because I went this year, it was in DC this year, and I didn't really account for food. Thankfully I had the money to pay for it all, but it was a lot. But I didn't save for food and drinks and that kind of stuff. So I want to make sure I'm like fully prepared to do those things for this time around, because yeah, just want to make sure I have enough, which so far I'm pretty on track with my goal, which is actually around 2,500, but if I could save 3,000, that'd be cool too. I'd rather be over than under. So I'm just gonna take 500 of this to the bank, which right now I have 1,010. So I have about like 510 in here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 200, and then I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so 200 is going back to the bank. I'm gonna use this as my placeholder. I made this placeholder on Canva, which I do plan on showing how I made the placeholders, because I just did like a little screenshot on Google and then put it into Canva, sized it. I did add it in the bank right here, but I've been getting questions about how I did that, so I will make sure to do that. I'm actually gonna take this 10. Oh no, do I have a 10? Yeah. I'm gonna swap this for the 10. So that way I'm just left with 10 in this. Yeah. Sorry, it's a little all over the place. I was actually gonna make one that was 1,000, but I kind of ran out of time. And I just wanted to get going with this. I will make 1,000, so that way I only have to have one placeholder in here. But, oh, and then I gotta put the 10, of course, in here. So I only have $10 now physically in there, and then my little tracker. Cool. All right, so that is nice and condensed, and then I'm just gonna take this money, and this is what I'm gonna use to condense the rest of the stuff I have. I have some 20s, 5s, and 1s. All right, so I'm gonna go back to this binder in a bit, but I want to concentrate more on this one because this one has more of the higher amounts when it comes to my envelopes. This is more like long-term. I'm actually gonna start off with this Treat Yourself because this one's super thick right now. I already have a 500 placeholder, but I know I have quite a bit in here. I have, let's see, 826 actually. So I'm gonna make this into a couple hundreds, or maybe 300s. So I have 50, 100. Okay, I need to make space actually for the 50. Oh, right here. Okay, and then this is gonna be 100. And then, oh, make sure, can you see? Yeah, okay, cool. So I'll make sure you can see everything. And I'm gonna do another 100, 20, 40, 60, 81. So that one is gonna go here. I'm probably gonna use up all my hundreds. Oh no, maybe I'll be left with one. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 91. Another 100 here. And then 10s. That's another 100. 5, 10, 15, 20. All right, and then I have 5 and a 1. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 320, 325, 26, plus 500 is 826, and that matches, so that's good. All right, so 826 and treat yourself. That one is good. Okay, so that one's like my most, that was the biggest one that I know needed to be condensed. Now I'm gonna see if these need to be, if these can be condensed a little bit. So I have 100, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40. So I'll get 2 20s. And I have 5, 6, 7. So now I'm left with 1, 200, 220, 240, 245, 46, 47. 247, yes. This is why I like having the trackers, because it just keeps me on track. All right, auto repair has 145, so I might be able to condense this a little bit. Yeah, so the 5s. Oh, I guess I can do a 20. Or maybe even 147, yeah, okay. So I will do a 20 here, a 10 and 2 5s. So now I have, am I missing? Oh yeah, I'm missing. Wait, oh, that's right. Sorry, I was looking at the wrong tracker. 1, 20, 40, 45, 145 in auto repair. Oops, okay. Gifts has 75. I'm actually gonna leave, actually no, I think I might have maybe some 1s. Okay, I'm gonna leave some 10s because I like having, sometimes I wanna give cash as a gift, so it's nice to have a little bit, a mixture. But I'm gonna do a 20 with these 2 10s. I'm gonna keep these 2 10s and those 2 5s. And I think I just do another 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, okay, so I have 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, $75 in gifts. 75. Christmas. Okay, sorry, I had to wait for that motorcycle to go away because sometimes the people who drive the motorcycles around here are very noisy. All right, so in here I have 360, so I might be able to do a 50 because I want to make sure I keep the 50s and the 100 so I don't have to take those back to the bank yet. Yeah, I can do a 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And then I can do 10 on this one. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 350, 360 in Christmas. Registration has 165, so I should be able to condense this a little bit too. So I get 100 here. That's my last 100, 50, and then a 10. Yeah, just a 10. And sometimes when I'm like doing this, when I'm editing, I realize, oh, I could have condensed things a little bit further. Sometimes that happens. It is what it is. It doesn't have to be perfect. 100, 150, 160, 165. Okay, 165. Emergency has 175, so I can definitely condense this a little bit too. I'm gonna be left with a bunch of 50s. Oh wait, no I can't because I don't have any 100s. Okay, so I have 100, I can do another 50 here, 20, 40, 50. And then I have 10, 20, and 5. All right, so I have 50, 100, 150, 170, 175 in emergency. Good. Okay, and that's treat yourself. And then fun only has 10, so that is all I can really do in here, but that really helps a lot. So that's good. All right, so I'm gonna go in here. This one is the binder that I tend to pull from more, so the mounts aren't as large. So I'm constantly pulling from this one. Okay, so I have Disney, which only has 35. I'm not gonna worry about that one. Holiday Decor only has 35. Again, not gonna worry about that, unless I have a lot of 5s, because I've noticed I have a lot of 5s. Actually, yeah, I do. Okay, so I'm just gonna change out these 2 for a 10. So now I have 20, 30, 35 in holiday decor. So I've been putting a lot of 5s when I cash stuff, so I know I have a lot of 5s in some of these. It's 10, 15, 16, 17. Okay, can't really do much with that one. 17. Content has 15, so that one's good. Household has 43, so I can do a 20. So now that is $43. Home decor has nothing. Target has nothing. I depleted these recently. Furniture I can do a little bit. Oh, actually I can do a 50. 20, 40, 50. Oops. 50. I can do a couple 50s actually. All right, and then next, another 50, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, and then I have 10, 15, 20. And then a 5. All right, so now I have 50, 100, 120, 125. 125, is that correct? Yeah, 125. Family only has 20. Beauty, I think I condense this one a little bit. All right, so I have 2 10s, so 20, and then 2 5s, so that's 10, and then 3. Okay. So now I have 20, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53. And beauty. Costco has $6. That one's good. And I don't have anything in extra debt because I made that payment. Clothing has 25. Okay, so those are good. So now I can go back into my savings because I have some challenges I might be able to, like this one is a little full. Lots of 1s. All right, so I'm gonna focus on these first to see if I can get what I can get out of here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm just gonna double count that because just in case. Sometimes some of the dollars stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so that is 20. Grab a 20 and I'm left with 1. So then I have 20, 40, 50. I don't have a 50. 20, 40, 50, 55, 56. Okay, so that is all I can do for that one. Then this $3 one. This one I can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So $10. So now I have 60. I don't have anything in here because I need to start that one. That's a new one. I need to start a new challenge. This one I should be able to, maybe. I can do a 20 here, and then a 10. Okay. So 1, 2, 250, 270, 290, 310, 320. I was told that this challenge is wrong, so I need to fix these totals, but I will do that later. Then I have one more envelope. This one. All right, so these is 2 10s, so 20, then 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so 20 here, and then 3. That one's all good. All right, now my favorite part, which is not my favorite part, counting this and making sure I didn't mess it all up. So far I haven't done that, but you never know. All right, let me get my calculator. Just makes it a little easier. All right, so I should have 500 in here. So 20, 40, 60, 80. 80. And in tens, I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Plus 60. Okay, so I'm at 340. Okay, fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 5, 10, 15. What am I at? 455. Okay. All right. So I should have what? 45 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Yay. 500. All right, so that is gonna go all back to the bank, that 500. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching this cash condensing bill swap video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button. And I hope to see you in the next one.